How to make money from your traveling. There's something widely appealing about just packing everything up and jetting off into the sunset. Leaving the job behind, the rent, the utility bills, and exploring what the world has to offer. One problem: money. It's one of the main things holding people back from exploring the world for 6 months, and it really doesn't need to. More people than ever before are making money as they go, and that doesn't necessarily mean just getting behind a bar a few nights a week either. We're talking digital, laptop in on your lap, mojito in your hand, overlooking the beach. So, don't let the thought of money ruin the chance to travel the globe. Take one of these pretty simple steps and make your dream a reality. Your boarding pass awaits. 1. Work freelance. One of the most common ways to make money while on your travels is to simply work freelance. So many jobs these days lend themselves to working remotely, while you may also be able to transport your business to all corners of the world. Careers such as graphic design, writing, even consultancy jobs can be done electronically, while the likes of Skype, email, and WhatsApp make communication available instantly. Play video. Most jobs will allow you to work on the go in at least some aspect. You can fit your earnings around your rest days traveling, while if you're a creative and make arts and crafts, you can spend your downtime building and making, and spend the weekends selling at local markets and craft fairs. Markets all over the world are generally open to welcoming new stalls, particularly if you're offering something different to the usual, and you can make some serious money. Setting up a stall at markets popular with tourists is usually a good way of making money, so it's worth searching for your local market once in a town. You can then pack up and move on to the next one during your travels. 2. Spend wisely. Of course, to make and save money you also have to spend wisely. Most of us would rely on a credit card while traveling, so get one where you can maximize your rewards. There are dozens of cards out there tailored towards travel, so make sure you check out a rewards calculator to estimate how much you can likely earn from a card. Ensuring you can pay the money back is key though, so it is worth combining this method of making money with one of the others on this blog. Earning air miles will certainly enable you to save money on any flights you might take further down the line on your travels. 3. Create a blog. There are tons of fantastic travel blogs out there which offer fun and informative information on where they are in the world. Think you can do better? Then start a blog and see for yourself. There's money to be made from blogging, with businesses often keen to feature. You may not be offered money, but rather a product, which will at least save you money further down the line when needing to buy the items in question. Advertising and promotions can make you serious money, all from telling people exactly what you're up to in the world. It's easier said than done though. Monetizing a blog requires hard work, persistence, and regular posting, again, easier said than done. Success won't happen overnight, so it's important to start working on a travel blog well in advance of heading out on your adventures. What's more, if you can find a niche and make your blog stand out, even better. 4. Sell your snaps. If you're snap happy when away from home, you may be able to make some money from them. There are dozens of sites on the market that will give you commission for photos you submit that sell. For example, Alamy allows users to upload photos to the site, and if anyone, or any business, was to purchase the photo you'd earn 50% commission. Likewise, sites such as Fotolia, Bigstock, and Shutterstock will also give you a commission for any photos sold via their sites. It's becoming more and more popular for business to use images like this instead of regular stock photos, as they're a little more personal and give consumers a consumer side of the coin. In some cases, a business may then contact you directly having seen your photos and commission you to do some work independently, then the big bucks really come rolling in. 5. Teach the language. One of your greatest assets is your language, and many countries are crying out for teachers of English as a foreign language. If you're planning on spending a significant amount of time in a country, you can organize to become a teacher and make money while you discover a whole new world. So many people have found teaching the English language fulfilling while traveling, whether that be one-on-one tutoring or to entire classrooms. Before you head off traveling, you'll need to get an accreditation, and of course, the sooner you research where you can teach, the more likely you are of getting a position. You can make some good money from this, although there are also other avenues you can take when it comes to teaching. If you're particularly sporty, you can take your knowledge to other parts of the world and teach youngsters how to play various sports. Soccer is naturally one of the more popular coaching roles, and many who have played the game as a youth themselves will take up this in the likes of China, USA, and African nations. Other teaching opportunities include art, computing and specific trades such as building, plumbing, accounting and more. Essentially, if you're trained in a particular area which would benefit other parts of the world, there may be opportunities to teach it. You enjoyed this video, right? Our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. Also, we have hand-picked other interesting videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss other educative videos like this. We love you. Thank you.